Ho ho ho! It's Christmas time! Bonjour, I'm Chef Julien presenting Oh La La Gourmet food. So for this year, Christmas, we have prepared for you the perfect turkey. So already fully cooked and marinated with apple juice, onion. It will be ready in your oven. Within an hour, you will have your turkey juicy and tender, ready to be served. So as mentioned, our turkey is already fully cooked and we have cooked it sous vide at low temperature to really preserve all the juiciness to it. And you already have a nice color and then it's marinated with apple juice, onion and spices. Only thing you have to do to throw it a day before, 1 or 2 days before into your refrigerator. So first what we need, just to open our poche, remove the juice which we will keep in a saucepan and place our turkey onto a nice roasting pan. So here we have our turkey. I will just drizzle a little bit of oil on top of it. And then I will start to do a first baking at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. So during the first cooking process of our turkey, that way you can start to prepare your garniture. So for the garniture, I have prepared a bit of onion, some carrots, some potato, some celery, some chestnut, some cherry tomato, and I just cut roughly everything and I have it in a tray ready. So that we will add it to our turkey on a second process of the cooking. So now the first 20 minutes it's finished. I will take out our turkey. So here we have the first process of 20 minutes at 180 degrees. I will add on all the garniture around of the turkey. So here we have placed our garniture around the turkey. So as mentioned, we have some potato, some carrot, some celery, some pumpkin, some onion. Now to that, I will add on some butter, some oil. You can use an olive oil or corn oil, cooking oil to it. And now I'm going to process it for 30 minutes at 220 degrees. On my oven, I will use the fan and the heat on both sides of the turkey. So now for that second process of cooking, as mentioned, so we place it at 220 degrees and for 30 minutes. And we make sure then the turkey is not too high, then it doesn't get overheated from the top. And to go also with our turkey, I suggest you, we also have a portion of a cranberry sauce, but also turkey sauce, or even an apple sauce to give even more flavor. And a traditional garnish is also a cornbread or bread stuffing, which just need to bake in the oven. So now we finish our roasting and we can see after 30 minutes we have a beautiful turkey with the vegetable which are roast, but there's a bit of juice so it doesn't keep them too dry. At this moment what you can do is just to change it to a proper tray for serving it, or you can also keep it in your oven and I will place it at about 90 degrees to just keep my turkey hot until I need to serve it. But now I'm going to place it into a nice tray ready to be served. And here we have it, the perfect roast turkey for Christmas at home, ready basically in less than an hour. And you don't have to worry about the cooking temperature because the turkey is already pre-cooked sous vide with a nice apple juice and spices to give all the flavor. Let's go for our Christmas feast.